All right, guys, today we're going to do the next part of words and pictures. We're going to keep working with them, but today we're going to look at the book, Who Eats What? So let's go to our book and look at our pages. And we're going to look at two pages today, 20 and 21. And so I'm going to read them for you. And it says, on land, most food chains are short, but scientists still have much to learn about them. They have even more to learn about food chains in the seas. These chains are long. They are also hard to study because most of the plants and animals live underwater. Look at this food chain. It starts way down here with tiny plants. It moves to the striped anchovy, and from the striped anchovy, the Atlantic mackerel, and from that to the dog snapper, and then to the great barracuda. So we start at these tiny plants, and they grow, and then the striped anchovy is going to eat the plants, and then the Atlantic mackerel is going to eat the anchovy, and the dog snapper will eat the Atlantic mackerel, and the great barracuda will eat the dog snapper. And then probably a fisherman is going to catch that barracuda and eat it, or another fish that's even bigger is going to do that to keep going. So thinking about our picture of our food chain and the words that talk about it, let's go to our book and see our activity sheet and see what it says. It says, what do the words tell you about food chains in the sea? Hint, how are they different from food chains on land? So, what do the words tell us, and how are they different from land? So, let's go back. On land, most food chains are short, but scientists still have much to learn. There are even more to learn about food chains in the seas. These chains are long. They are also hard to study. So, I'm covering up the words. Get my pen straight. So they are hard to study. They are hard to study. So those are going to be the words that you put here. Now, looking at the second pencil, question 2. What information is in the pictures? Your hint says, what do the arrows show? So let's go back to our book. Look at the picture. What do those arrows show? What are our pictures showing us? So we're going to go down here and write. Well, these pictures show us an underwater food chain. So that's what we are going to write. They show an underwater food chain. And so that's what you would need to write on your lines, right on your page. Please do that.